anyway, but it's nice to tie it back into this problem as well. All I want to do today is I want to plant the seeds for Wednesday, which we play craps, and we analyze the game of craps. And once you analyze the game of craps, you'll understand how the payoffs work for any casino game, not just craps. Although craps is the most fun, because it's probably the most fun to play. It's the most fun game of chance to play, because the rules are quite fun. They're quite goofy. It's not like a roulette wheel. A roulette wheel, which is like a 38-sided die. Here it is again. A roulette wheel, if you pick a number to bet on, a roulette wheel is simply a 38-sided die. Because it has 38 numbers on it. And Brittany, you're going to bet on? 38. 38!
It's hard to bet on.
And the only way you're going to win is if you come up with 38. There's other ways to bet, of course. You can bet on red, you can bet on black, you can bet on green. Right? You can bet on odd or even. There's all kinds of other ways to bet. But the payouts are less.
Yeah.
If you hit, and this is what we're getting into on Wednesday, if you bet 38 and win, you're going to win a buttload more money than if you bet on red and win. Because it's harder to get 38 than it is to get a red number, for example.
Can you bet on the house?
Yes, but the house will always have better odds than you. We'll come back to that. Aaron just asked a very good question that actually is tied to your last set of questions on your exam, which is when you bet against the roller in craps. So in craps, a quick overview. In craps, there's a roller who's rolling. You can bet with them, you can bet against them, or you can bet in some other way. But you're betting on the die, the pair of dice that they roll. Fair enough? Now we're going to study that starting on Wednesday, starting and finishing on Wednesday, into how craps actually would kind of have to, since it's the count it, you roll 9. So the idea though is that you can bet against the roller or against the house, but you can't get the house's odds. They won't let you do that. And you'll see why once you do the last couple questions on your exam. You'll see why the house won't let you beat their odds. It's pretty obvious, actually. So first off, you all have a single die in front of you, yes? No, you have 2. Excuse me, you do. Grab one of them. That's right, you do have 2. Well, you have 2 because we're going to be rolling 2 because that's what craps use.
Pennies on the side of the room.
Say that again.
Pennies.
Oh.